Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is animals and their eating habits. Now we see the introduction. Like all other living beings, animals also need food to grow and stay healthy. Food gives them energy to do all their activities. Different animals eat different types of food, and on the basis of their eating habits, animals are divided into three different groups: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now we see what are herbivores. Animals that eat only plants and plants products are called plant eating animals or herbivores. Herbivores have sharp, flat front teeth to bite their food. Their strong and flat grinding teeth at the back help them grinding the grass and leaves. Here are the examples of herbivorous animals: deer, zebra, elephant, cow, horse, sheep. Now we see what are carnivorous animals. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eating animals or carnivores. They have long, pointed, and sharp teeth. These help them to tear the flesh. Their strong grinding teeth at the back helps in chewing the bones and flesh. Now we see the examples of carnivorous animals. Tiger, leopard, wolf, lion, fox are the examples of carnivorous animals. Next one is omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores. They have strong and flat grinding teeth like herbivores and sharp back teeth like carnivores. Now we see the examples: bear, crow, pig, rat, squirrel are the example of omnivorous animals. Human beings are also omnivores. Now we see some special eating habits of animals. Sucking. Some insects like mosquitoes, butterflies, and honeybees suck their food. They have long, pointed, and hollow sucking tubes. Next one is swallowing. Animals like snake and crocodile have teeth to hold the prey. They swallow their food as they don't have chewing teeth. Next one is frog and lizards. Frog and lizards have long and sticky tongue which they shoot out to catch the insects and roll it back into the mouth. Its examples are chameleon, lizard, frog. Dear student, I hope you have understood this very well. So take care and goodbye.